We're going to do an epic thing right now today. The first thing you want to do when you go to any country is find out what kind of economy they have, because you want to find out where the money is. When the money flows, the people go. Assuming that this is one of the places where it all started. If you look down there, this is where all the low cost, low density. Once upon a time, this used to be high density. I'm on my way to Vietnam. This is absolutely the first time that I'm going there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take you on the step-by-step series on how I break down and find how to invest into any country. And I'm going to use Vietnam as the first place because I've never been there before. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase you how I do it as an investor, to go into the country, to see what the data is going to be like, to check out what and verify the facts and see whether it's going to be a good place to buy or not. I'm going to give you a couple of tips along the way as well. So I've been doing this to many countries, and I decided to do this video now because of this epic first journey. So it's going to be something super candid, and I really hope that you guys get to learn about it as well. There'll be tons of pointers that I'm going to put into here, and I really hope that you guys get the most benefit so that you can use whatever that I'm doing right now and put it to any country out there. Stay tuned, tons of exciting things coming on. I guarantee you that you're going to benefit tons from this. Pick up and an escort to go. That's nice. When you get the back seat. The first thing you want to do when you go to any country is find out what kind of economy they have, because you want to find out where the money is. When the money flows, the people go. I don't like it when the country gets advanced. That's a very bad title, but it's true. I don't like it when I see clean roads. I don't like it when I see nice big airports. No disrespect to the country. I think the country is doing very well. Unfortunately, as an opportunist and also an investor, the more advanced the country is, to me, the less opportunity there is for investments, especially in properties, because the more developed you become. So on the first hand note, when you look at all this right now, you're going to start to see that there's already a lot of systems in place, and systems is my bad news, right? System is my enemy, because the more systematic the place becomes, the tougher it is for me to find opportunity to invest. I like countries which are cowboy, because you're going back in time. Development I can predict because it's going to be based on my experience in terms of Malaysia. Malaysia is a third world country, but it's fairly developed compared to many of the other countries in Asia. So I can predict the future based on Malaysia's current trends. I also have been in Singapore, so I roughly know the data over there. So the lesser the developed the country is, the better I am at predicting what's going to happen over there. But in countries like this, where I see its development is fairly fast right now, I can already say that it's going to be a little bit more challenging than a normal country. So I would say Vietnam is like like Thailand right now. And this also means that I need to do and verify a lot more data as compared to other countries. I mean, the first time I went into Cambodia, boom, I know it was gold mine, because I knew there was no structure yet, or the structure is just coming up. And you also could see from constructions and many other things that was happening along the line, there's mass amount of developments, and in a very non-structural way. So when that happens, very easy to know that that country is in a boom stage, and not structural boom means that many things in the government is not formalized yet, and that also means opportunity. So here, gotta work hard. So okay, when you look into here, right, this area here, this is old area or new area?
New.
Because you see there's many of the small house like this, but then you got to see big building over there.
Yep.
So that is new, or this is new? This is old, right? This is new.
The high building is the new.
New area?
Yeah, it's the
All those there are that condo, or is it office?
Office.
Office. Wow. Very nice view. Okay. So I'm trying to size the whole thing up right now, and if I can guess what's happening, I mean, I like this view, but this view tells a history. And if I don't know where this is, I'm trying to find the epicenter. The epicenter is usually what we call the city center, the place where it all started. Assuming that this is one of the places where it all started. If you look down there, this is where all the low cost, low density once upon a time, this used to be high density, right? I mean, houses could be lower than this. And if you look at to the horizon, you can see all the new buildings on the sides. Those are probably what we have during a boom period that might have happened about 5 to 10 years ago. I'm estimating the buildings there to be approximately 5 to 10 years old, no more than that, depending on looking into the designs. So what happened was that would be the boom period where you have the layer of developments coming out from there. So yeah, different way of how the city grows.